The video brought today is a new case share. 10 minutes to complete the build of 2 screens, so that you have fewer operations. This is the charm of low code. First we add a container here. Adjust the size of the container. Make changes to the container's color. Insert an image. Select the image you want to insert in the material library, then change the size of the image. Adjust the position of the image. Add a 20% opacity to it. Let's insert an image here. Select the image you want to insert in the clip. Resize images. Insert a text box. Type the text. Modify the font size. Perform vertical horizontal centering. Modify the color to white. Add a container. Resize the container. Cancel background color. In this container we insert a text box. Type the text. Change the color to white. Resize the text box. Center it vertically. Let's add another container. Modify the size of the container. Modify the color. Add a gradient to it. Add another rounded corner. Insert an icon in this container. Change the color to white. Modify the icon size. Let's add an interaction to it. We add an interaction to it. Select path navigation. Add another page named Screen 2. Select the object. Make a preview. Click on Screen 2 again. Let's add a container to it. Adjusting the container size. Add a color. In this container we insert an image. Select the image to be inserted in the clip. Modify the image size. Adjust the position of the picture. Let's add another container. Adjust the size of the container. Modify the position of the container. Cancel the background color of the container. Into this container we insert a container. Modify the size of the container. Add a rounded corner. Select the color. Duplicate it. Insert it again. Enter its color. Rearrange it by stacking. After that we insert another container. Resize the container. Cancel the background color. Then we add a container to this container. Resize the container. In this container we insert a gradient. Select the color. Let's insert another text box. Enter the text. Change the color of the text to white. Let's insert another text box. Type the text. Adjust the font size. Change the font color to white. Add an opacity of 80% to it. In the external container we insert a container. Adjust the size of the container. To this container we will insert a gradient. After that we insert a text box. Enter the text. Change the text color to white. Adjust the text box size again. Today we bring you the first part of application building. The visualization component is very convenient and fast to build. Will the easy operation make you excited? Thanks for watching. See you next time.